Hey guys, it's Sahaana, and today I'm going to show you how I make applesauce. Applesauce is a really quick and easy healthy snack, and it's also used as an egg substitute in many baking recipes. So first off, I'm just peeling and cutting my apples into small or medium-sized pieces. Next, I'm just taking a pot and adding my apples to it. And the best flavor combination with apple is of course cinnamon, so I'm gonna add some cinnamon sticks just to enhance the applesauce flavor. And I'm adding water to this, just enough water that the apples are covered. Next up, I'm going to put this on the stove on a medium flame and allow this to cook. This takes around maybe 10 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes, and just check that the apples are soft, and that means that it's done. Next, we're just gonna let it cool down completely and take out the cinnamon sticks, and we're gonna grind this mixture up. Don't add the excess water while grinding, just put in the apples. And you have this silky smooth applesauce ready to use in your baking recipes or just as a quick snack. You can store it in your fridge and enjoy it cool. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.